So here we are. We've removed the mirror, and all I did was put a pry bar in there, pry and a pry there. You got 3 clips. If I can get the old one, you can see you've got 3 clips. If you aim for those 3, then it all unclips and falls off. So we're gonna be removing the mirror glass, which we have just done. I've done it off camera because they can be difficult. All I'd done was tilted the mirror all the way up, got the wedge on that, got the wedge there, pulled up, then it's disconnected to those 2, which is one of these clips. So you got that clip, there one, that one, and then you wiggle it off to undo all these. Of course, if you've got heated ones, you mind these 2 cables, and then you got the clips here, which will obviously clip on around here. But yeah, so obviously that moves. So of course we want to, in this video, remove these to a nice little LED set. So you're gonna have to remove that Torx bit, and there's one there, and then when you come around here, there's one just here which you're going to remove. So I'll jump back to that part and we'll be almost there. So here we are, we've removed all of it, and you just give it a little pull, and then you have this all free, which then gives you that little clip which we'll get a screwdriver out of. And of course all this goes underneath, that little gap goes between these 2. And then of course, like on a new one, you'll have this ridge underneath which slots underneath this, and then all this then will push back into the mirror like so. Of course these are the folding ones, so mind all the other wires which you've got into it, and also make sure the car does not lock, such as I got the windows down and I got the key in my pocket, and I've made sure I open the door before it's unlocked to make sure the mirrors don't fold, otherwise you might say goodbye to your mirror. Okay guys, I'll jump back to the part when we've got the new one installed. Okay guys, obviously you plug it in, turn it on, make sure it works, and it clips into here. There's a little slot down there which you've got to make sure it slots in, then it will clip in from that part, and then you make sure it clips back in all the way, push that part on, then it will clip in back underneath here like so, and then that'll be that installed. You just put the screws back in, and then that'll be all done. I'll see you in the next bit. So there it is, all still installed. I still have it on just to make sure. So now all we want to do is clip the mirror back in. So obviously you just place it how it would be and just press on the cap. Make sure it's on like that. Some reason I've got quite a bit of play, but I think that's just because I've removed the glass, because it's the same on the other side I've done, but it's like you got a little bit of play. I don't know if that's just because it's been pulled around with. But next is the mirror cover, and of course we're not going to be using that one. We've got some M styles. Some of these with the tick on, which of course is going to be on the other side, just like that. Personally I like the look of them, so at the end of the day it is my car. Same as black badging. The black badging and the skirts and the bits on the wheels. And of course I've done the black badging and the D-badge on the rear. So now, same as these, just clip that in, so you line it up. Make sure you line it up properly, just like that, and clip it in, and there you go. Obviously you can make sure it is clipped in by giving it a little tug in bits, but there we go. But yeah, you got to give them quite a bit just to make sure it is in. But other than that, obviously when you lock it, it clears the bit, and when you unlock it, it covers up. So there you go guys, that's the recent update. Hope you enjoyed the video and look out for more.